Core system libraries failing because of the Mpr library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. As we prepare the manual solution for Mpr library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Mpr library. It manages the connection between the Windows OS and various network providers, like LAN or VPN. It handles the redirection of network requests. A failure in this DLL will cause immediate loss of network drive access and will prevent the network and sharing center from functioning correctly. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Since Mpr library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Mpr library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Because the restart didn't stabilize the connection stack, we'll perform a full network synchronization now. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type NETSSH space IINT space IIP space RREESSET, then hit enter. Second, type N.ETSH space WINSOCK space RESEET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, this process clears the internal network plumbing by purging corrupted configuration caches, ensuring that your connectivity DLLs can re-establish a clean handshake with the OS. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Mpr library DLL. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Mpr library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Mpr library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.